Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make another amazing recipe. So for today's video, I'll be making Korean fried chicken. These are not only fried chicken, okay? These are extra crunchy, double fried chicken. So if you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. Thumbs up the video as always. Subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's make it. To begin, I have my chicken nice and clean. I am going to pour my rice vinegar on there. Next, I'll be adding salt and pepper all over the chicken, just like that. Next, I'll be adding garlic powder. Now, I'll be adding onion powder with a little bit of cayenne pepper for some spice, okay? So if you don't want the cayenne pepper, just don't add it. Now I'll be adding some ground ginger or grated ginger that I grated myself. Fresh ginger, okay? So we're going to give that a quick mix just like that, and then we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about an hour, okay? While it's in the fridge, we're going to start by making our flour or mixture for the chicken. I am using cornstarch. You can use potato starch as well. I didn't have any, so I'm using cornstarch with flour, cayenne pepper, with salt, garlic powder. Also, I'll be adding some onion powder as well, and we're going to give that a quick mix. Once it is nice and mixed together, we're going to separate this flour, okay? I am going to take about 1/3 of this flour and I'm going to transfer it to a different bowl, just like that. This is for the batter. We're going to make a wet batter from not half of it, 1/3 of the flour. Add a little bit of oil to that flour and we're going to make a mixture like a pancake batter, okay? You don't want it to be too runny, you don't want it to be too thick, so you just want to get a consistency like you're making pancakes, okay? Just like that. Once it is done, this is how it looks, nice and thick, okay? Now we're going to take the chicken out of the fridge, of course. Now we're going to take the chicken, put it in the batter just like that, and then we're going to let the excess batter drain a little bit, and then we'll place the chicken into the flour. This is the flour we saved, remember? So we're going to place that on there. What I want you to do is take your hand and squeeze the flour on the chicken. That's how I fry my chicken, okay? That's what's gonna give it that crust, that crunchiness. Once you're done squeezing the flour onto the chicken, give it a tap, and then place it on the side. I am going to show it to you one more time for the people in the back who did not see it, okay? Just basically take your chicken, add it to the batter just like that. Give it a little shake, remove the excess batter, then we're going to place it into the flour just like that, and then squeeze the flour onto the chicken. Alright, basically this is how it looks once you are done, well coated with the flour. Alright, now we're going to move on to frying the chicken. I am using a small fryer today and we're going to fry it on 350, okay? Frying this chicken, let me tell you guys, okay? You're going to fry this chicken for exactly 10 minutes the first time. So I'm placing my chicken in there just like that. because this fry is small, so I have to do 2 batches. So I'm adding only 3 drumstick in there. Let it fry for exactly 10 minutes. Okay, it's frying right now, as y'all can see. Once it is done, it should be nice golden. Now it is not done cooking yet. If you bite into this chicken, there will be blood. Okay, so what I am going to do, place it on the side. I am going to fry the other batch. Okay, so that's what I am about to do, but these are delicious already. Okay, come on, you see, nice and golden. Oof. All right, moving on, I am going to fry the other batch, which is 3 more drumsticks. Place it into the oil just like that. Let it fry for 10 minutes. Once it is done, this is it. Nice and golden brown. Like I said, it is not done cooking yet. Now, we're going to cook it one more time for 7 more minutes again, okay? So in total, it'll be 17 minutes. So we're placing the first batch that I fried earlier. We're going to place that in there and let it fry for another 7 minutes. Okay, this is double fried chicken. When I tell you these chicken ones, they're come out. Woo! It will be very nice and crunchy and crispy. I'm telling you guys. If you don't believe me, click the link down below to my ASMR channel. You'll find out how crispy these things are. Once they're done, this is how they look, nice and crunchy and crispy. Now it's time to make the sauce, okay? We're going to make a nice, sweet and not sour, but sweet and spicy sauce for the chicken. First, I'm starting with a little bit of oil, not too much, maybe a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon, not sure. I'll let you know, guys, in the description box. Check it out. Now I'll be adding some grated ginger with some garlic. Now my garlic has a little bit of soy sauce in there. It's going in the same place, don't worry. That's the garlic with the soy sauce. Okay, we're going to place that in there and let that cook until they start, you start smelling the fragrance of the garlic. That means it's ready, okay? So we're going to add our soy sauce in there. I'm using a very dark soy sauce, so just add that in there just like that. Now I'll be adding some ketchup in there as well. I don't have the red chili paste the Korean use, so I'm using ketchup. Americans. Okay, so we're just going to use good old little ketchup. Just add that in there, mix it up together. Then I'll be adding some brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar. Add that in there, as well as some honey. Yes, we're using honey. So just add your honey in there just like that. Where's the honey? Okay, there it is. Just add your honey in there. Okay, moving on, I'll be also adding some cayenne pepper to make it super spicy. This is gonna be like a sweet and spicy type of sauce, okay? Once it is nice and simmering just like that, you should be ready to go. So what I am going to do now is sprinkle some sesame seed in there, mix it all together, turn off your stove. We're about to add the chicken into the sauce. You can transfer it to a bowl if you want, but I just add my chicken in there. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Just add your chicken in there and mix it together with the sauce until it's well coated with the sauce. And once it is done, honey, you have yourself Korean double fried crispy crunchy fried chicken. This is it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. Now if you enjoy it, if you like it, if you're about to make it, let me know down below, because I love seeing you guys comment. Let me know, what do you think about this one? Look at it. Just take a look. Just by the look of it, you know this is bomb. This is, whew, it was spicy for sure. I can't even take it right now. I'm talking, but I can smell the spiciness of this chicken. It was super spicy, of the cayenne pepper, and you know, the honey giving you a sweet type of flavor. Oh, it was so amazing. This is it, you guys. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Are you guys going to try this one? Okay, of course I have to taste it for you guys. Let me tell you, this was crunchy. Oh my goodness, this is it. But it was nice and juicy inside. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video for me, guys, because that helps me a lot. So please hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.